So it's still early settings in the Jamaica Premier League, but already we're seeing some good overall entertaining football. Teams expressing themselves with organization and structure, with some quality goals as well. And look, it would be dishonest of the Maverick not to admit that Craig Butler, now being a part of the JPL, you know that excitement is guaranteed. Well, after just 2 games, and the Butler is dominating the news, wrestling with the JFF as usual, and is supposed to be the manager of Via United and not one of the coaches. But really and truly, in which life is Craig Butler going to be sitting on a football bench and not be shouting instructions? In which life? Anyway, love him or hate him, the Phoenix boss is good for the Jamaica Premier League. Whether he can win it with Via United as promised, put it this way, a lot of people inside and outside of the Jamaica Premier League will be trying everything in their powers to stop that from happening. But think about it, wouldn't it be lovely if the Butler did it?